Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.4 question number 4 part first. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Today I want to describe how you can factorize given polynomial. It is very easy. You can factorize given polynomial very easily. But you concentrate your mind and see the word with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, you split the middle term and then make two pair. In this way, you can solve your question and you can factorize given polynomial very easily. It is very easy. You can solve your question very easily. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me, so do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Do not forget like, subscribe and share in your friends. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.4 question 4 factorize part first 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Solution 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is given polynomial. Here 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is given polynomial. You factorize it. You factorize it and find its factor. Clear? It is very easy. You can solve it very easily. But you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. Clear? Firstly, you split minus 7x. Clear? And then make two pair. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Here 12 before x square and here 1. You multiply 12 and 1 and then you factorize it. Clear? Here 12 multiply 1 equal to 12. You factorize 12. You divide by 2. You find 6. You divide by 2. You find 3. You divide by 3. You find 1. You divide by 1. You find 1. Hence, factor of 12 equal to 1 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. It is factor of 12. Now you make two pair of factors. Clear? You can take 2 multiply 2, 4 and 3 multiply 1. 3 1 ja 3, 2 2 ja 4. Here 2 2 ja 4 and 3. It is clear? If you add 4 and 3, it becomes 7. If you multiply 4 and 3, it becomes 4 3 ja 12. It means your process is correct. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Here you can write 12x square minus 7x plus 1 equal to 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. Here you make two pair. It is clear? By splitting of middle term. By splitting middle term. By splitting middle term. You can write 12x square minus 7x plus 1 equal to 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. You make two pair, 12x square minus 4x first pair and minus 3x plus 1 second pair. Now you take common in first pair and in second pair. Clear? Here you can write 4x here and here 4x. So you can take 4x common. 4x here, 4 3 are 12. So you can write here 3x. Here x and here x square. So you can write here 3x. Minus here 4x and here 4x. So you can write here 1. In first bracket 3x minus 1. You take here common minus 1. You take minus 1 common. Here 3x minus 3x and here you take minus 1. You can write here 3x minus here 1 and here minus 1. You can write here minus 1 in second bracket. First bracket 3x minus 1, second bracket 3x minus 1. Both are same. It means your process is correct. Clear? Yeah. In both brackets 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1 are same. Hence your process is correct. You can write it as 3x minus 1 in first bracket, 4x minus 1 in second bracket. It is your answer. Hence, factor of 12x square minus 7x plus 1 equal to, in first bracket 3x minus 1, in second bracket 4x minus 1. It is your answer. You factorize very easily and you find the factor of 12x square minus 7x plus 1 equal to 3x minus 1 in first bracket, 4x minus 1 in second bracket by splitting of middle term. It is clear. Your solution is clear. No confusion about it. It is easy. In this way you can solve any question. You can factorize any polynomial very easily. It is very easy. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share it in your friends. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Do not forget like, subscribe and share in your friends. It is clear. Very good. Okay.